Hello guys, a new mining for a new site. It's also an old site that explained in my channel in two videos how to get TikTok follower from this site, also how to earn from this site. To earn from this site, it will open like that. This is the home page. I already make an order for TikTok. I have 109 executed follower for my TikTok, over 120 followers in progress. This is my order. It's you pay from coins here. This is my balance for withdraw. To change the balance for always translate the page. To change the balance for creating a task, this is here. When you create a task, it's for get follower or likes, like that. You create task. Like you see, I have 3 accounts added in my account in this site. Why we use these 3 accounts, I will show you in progress a video. Don't speed up video. There is a trick to automatize mining from from this site. Auto task complete, no interaction of you. We go to always translate. This is how to create tasks. We go to profile setting. We scroll down. We translate. If we do like that, the main balance here will change to balance that is for creating a task. You can work for creating a task. You can work to get follower, collect coins and change coins to ruble, and then collect make a task to get number of followers or likes. If you do that, we get it's free promotion activated. We scroll down, we select save. Now this is my account, this is my coins for creating task in the site. If you activate this option, you will get coins here. Your earning will be here. It will be used in creating task. You go to create task. We translate the page. Like you see, get likes, get subscribes, boost views. Also we select get likes example, and you choose video. You choose the amount that you want. Let's choose 1000, like that. 1000, it's for 400 coins, 19 coins. You collect this number and you get 1000 like for your video. Also you can choose subscribers. We translate always the page, subscribers here or views here. We go to a setting. If you want to earn money and withdraw, we just change to withdraw, like that. We scroll down, we select save the changes. The balance changes to earning balance to withdrawing balance. This is my withdraw I made today. I will show you now payment proof also. Like you see, this is my withdraw for my web money one wallet. I advise to use web money. The link of the wallet will be in description. Let's go to the web money. Like you see, I received my payment here. Let's see transaction history. Like you see from my site, it in WMZ the coin of the wallet. You can transfer this WMZ to any wallet that you want to a bank card, bank transfer, to pay mobile bills, internet service, other method, recent to purpose via exchange exchanger.money. You can send all your money anywhere. You can change collected money. You can send anywhere. Let's select other method. It's in there is also Western Union. There is many ways. There is pay mobile, like you see. You can choose. You can search here your mobile. You can choose your MTN. Let's see MTN. Excuse me, MTN. You can choose your mobile advertiser. Like you see, you can pay internet. Like you see, all country. You can choose your country. Like you see, it's a huge number. It's simple to identify this wallet. This is a huge number of transactions you can do with this wallet. Also, you can add founders. I advise to use this wallet. The link will be in the description. You can use other principal wallet. It's must be verified with your phone number. For 113 WMZ, it's equal to $2.5. Yes, you can earn 1000 coin. For every 100 coin you get 25 ruble. It means 1000 coin, it means $2.5, and you can earn more and more and more. The trick is to add more than one account TikTok and to work with every time with one for 200 or 100 subscribe. You change your account to another account and start again with our application to make auto task complete. You must download the application from the short link in the description, because it's only the application that works well. I tries many application, but it's the most perfectly working application. Let's go to the application. This is our application. I'm a pro user, but you can use free mode also. To choose, you choose record mode like that. Use record mode, don't use any other method. Now let's go to our site. This is our site. You place the banner here. We go to earn. After that, you must change your setting to withdrawal, like I showed in the first. Now we go to earn like that. I have 3 accounts. I must choose one. I will choose this one every time I work with one account. To be not banned in TikTok. We go to subscribers. We use the option of subscribers. Now we scroll down. If you see, I have my TikTok account here. If you want to change, you just click in this button and choose another account. I will choose the same. Every time when you change your account, don't forget to change your application TikTok. For this, use a Google Chrome browser and use application TikTok. Every time when change your account, change your TikTok to the same account. Now let's begin. How it's work? It's simple. When you press here run, it will ask you to choose activity. We choose always TikTok. We go to TikTok. It's simple. We wait. We make follow like that. We wait just something. We return like that. We press in check. Always translate the page in English. Now we click here. Excuse me. It's a bad connection. The connection is not good. We just click here. I will change to data. I will select again. We select this one. We go to TikTok like that. We press in follow. Now we return. We click in check. You will see the balance changes. Now we click like that. I already do. Now we repeat the action. We click here. We wait. Now we return until task complete. Like you see, it's added to my account. Now we click in here to get the other subscriber. It's just a bad connection, nothing it's complicated. We will automatize this action with our application. The link will be in description. Also the link of the wallet that I use. It's universal wallet. You can withdraw your money to any wallet on the world, to any network in the world, to any bank in the world. Now we just here. Now we just click in this red button. We now register. We click here. We repeat this action for one time. We follow. We wait 2 seconds or 3. If you have a good now we press in check. Now we press here. Now we stop. We create a cycle of action. Now we click here. We load. We click in load. Now we save. Now and save it. We name this. Excuse me. We click in save as. We name it. Let's TikTok. Tick1. Here you put 0 to run infinitely. For pausing time we put 3 here, 3000 we set. For playback speed we make 2.5 speed we set. Now we click in save. Now we go load config, show application. Now we go to load. We click here. We click in load. You will find your registered cycle here. I registered Tick1. We click in Tick1. Now we return to the application. Now we are in the site. We just register all that. Now we click run like that, and it will work automatically. Like you say, you must know that sometimes some accounts are banned. It will return to the video. You just make sometimes an eye in your phone. Now if it do that, just stop the cycle and return to the main page of the site and start again. It's simple. I do nothing. I just let the application do all my action without any interaction of me, and in illegal way. This is the video today. Like you see, we stop here. This is our video today. All link will be in description. Don't forget subscribe to my channel and share the video. See you another mining video.